Welcome back to the show, Huskies. My name is Mr. Luna. Here's a great opportunity for you budding engineers or those just curious about how things work. The student interaction with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or the SISTEM, is a program of talks and activities open to all high school students in Southern Nevada, sponsored by the UNLV Howard Hughes College of Engineering. The goal is to increase awareness and excitement about the STEM disciplines as a whole through a diverse set of talks and activities led by STEM professionals. Apply with the link below, but you need to apply before September 30th. That's all for today, Huskies. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and don't be late to class.